All right, so D said he was surprising me for New Year's. I think I figured it out. Oh, this is how you do it, babe? This is a surprise? This is a surprise? Okay, okay. So you gonna tell me where we're going?
No, it's a surprise.
I got a couple guesses. Oh, Telly, she tried.
I tried.
She tried to keep a secret. Liar. She's a terrible liar. The newlyweds, or almost weds. You don't know Nat? To be the places I've been, the 5, 6 best friends. Yeah, we in Miami, bitches. That was harsh.
So the wife said she want to go to an island, so I took her to an island.
We in Miami, bitch.
Hate them.
Treat yourself. Why not? Happy New Year, y'all. 2017. Here we go.
What you doing, man?
Treat yourself. You gotta treat yourself.
Yeah, so I just want to say Happy New Year, everybody. You know, out there, you see me, I'm in the air. You feel me? Flying over everybody.
Shut up, Reggie.
Yeah.
Happy New Year.
So wrong with her. You good? You happy?
I'm so happy.
All right. Welcome to the new year.
Happy New Year.
Hey, welcome to 2017. Miami time.
It's Miami time, because that's where we go. How do I know we're back in Miami? Because look at this cheese board. Rich? No, that's a cheese board.
Or you can put 600.
Wait, so this is our wine cellar, Jason.
Or you can also have pork and a pork.
How many bottles?
600.
6. Do we have the Alizé? Baby, did you put the Alizé in the wine cellar?
It's
All right, it's our annual beer pong tournament. My partner against these fuckers. Whatever.
Yeah.